What's going on, everybody? In this video, we're going to talk about the 3 steps that you can take to get rid of credit cards and keep them out of your life for good. Step 1, cut the credit cards up. What this is going to do is immediately get rid of using the credit cards as a lifeline. You need to force yourself to use cash or a debit card to make purchases. This is going to be real money, so if you don't have it, you can't buy it. Don't forget that you need to cut up the credit cards virtually too. Any websites that you typically make purchases on, delete the credit card info and add your debit card instead. Step 2 to getting credit cards out of your life is going to be to pay off the balance. Unfortunately, cutting up the cards doesn't automatically make the balance disappear. You need to do whatever it takes to get rid of the credit card debt and pay off the balances as quick as possible. Every month that goes by, you're wasting money on interest that you're paying to the credit card companies. If you want to know more about this, make sure you check out my video called Stop Throwing Your Money Away. This video will go into some detail about how much money you're throwing away on debt and how much that money could turn into if you instead invested it. Number 3, once you have the debts paid off, you have to call the credit card companies and cancel the credit cards and close the accounts. This is going to be the hardest part of this journey because the representatives at the credit card companies are trained to help you keep the account open. They are going to do whatever it takes to try and get you to keep that account open so they can keep you making purchases and keep collecting interest on your purchases. Make sure that you stick to your guns, be polite, and just close the account. Lastly, make sure that you get the notice of cancellation of the account in writing from the representative. Make sure they email you something or send you a letter in the mail that shows that you've actually canceled the account. This way, if they forget to actually shut down the account and try to charge you some type of annual fee later on, you have a way to go back and dispute this with something in writing showing that that account was already closed and they have no right to charge you that money. If you're trying to work through any debt, make sure you reach out to me. I can help you to build a budget, make a plan to get out of debt, and transition that money to saving for your future. Check out my website and book a consultation. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time.